Patrick call, but Blueberry answered the
Hello?
phone.
Daddy? Daddy, are you there, Daddy? Yes, Daddy, 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 yeah! Daddy, Daddy, Daddy. Daddy? Mommy? Daddy's on the phone. Daddy's on the phone. Daddy, 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 me want to talk to you, Daddy. Oh, Daddy, Daddy, me want to talk to you. Me want to talk to you. Daddy, me want you buy me one new shoes a year, Daddy. Daddy, me want you buy me one new shoes. Me have one class party. I come up at school, Daddy. And I really want to look good, Daddy. Daddy, me want you buy me one Air Force One. Me ask mommy, but mommy I tell me say, she don't have no money for them shoes there. Me no need to wear them dear shoes that go to school, Daddy. Daddy, Daddy, me not like mommy style, you know what, Daddy? Me not like mommy style and time. Mommy too strict, Daddy. Mommy too strict. Blueberry? 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 How much time if you tell us nothing answer my phone? How much time if you tell us when you hear my phone ring, you fi carry it come and don't answer my phone. I don't want you answering my phone because you never know who is calling. Not because you see your father name come up on the phone doesn't mean it's him calling. Stop answer the phone when when you hear my phone ring and carry it come give me my hand side. It's too out of order. No child under age not supposed to have any phone or answer any phone because the time is very serious. Now it's serious time we're living in. You never know who is calling on the phone. Hello? Hello, Patrick. I'm glad you called. So what you say now, darling? Mm-hmm. Yes, listen to me. Oh, you mean say me too strict on Blueberry and she's 10 years old? A child of 10 shouldn't be using any phone. Should be taking up her book. Yes, she can have a little laptop or a tablet, but no phone. Next thing people are call her and I don't know about it because I can't monitor a child every move she make for her to be on any phone. Hmm? You're not here in Jamaica to know anything, you know. Hmm? She's supposed to talk to you into my presence, not behind my back. That is how I am growing her. Hmm? Jam Jam? Jam Jam is studying for him sexy. Jam Jam have no time to waste. I don't know how him buckle down in a film book so. Hmm? I never see one boy love book so. Him no in enough friend and company nor no trouble at all him depend a book. Hmm? Same want to be a pilot. Hey! Pilot? All me know about the plane will fly up in the sky. Me no know nothing about pilot. Me think say a bird in there fly the plane. Mm-hmm. Alright, tomorrow we talk here because right now me I'll need one new phone. So if you buy one iPhone Pro Max for me then. Cause this a phone here full up with all sort of something. And look like it take up all virus. Mm-hmm. Alright. And then a long chatting now.